Clear was biking in Sydney this past weekend with his new iPhone 6 riding shotgun in his back pocket. After taking a minor fall, the 36-year-old cyclist says his iPhone exploded in his back pocket, melting away his biking shorts and causing third-degree burns. Clear eventually needed surgery and a skin graft. Garrett Clear's iPhone 6 bore the brunt of the impact when the 36-year-old took a tumble during a ride around Australia's Manly Dam on Sunday afternoon. He noticed smoke and searing heat coming from his phone seconds before it exploded, melting through his shorts and 2 layers of skin on his upper right thigh. There was this intense heat generated from my pocket. It melted through my shorts and gave me third-degree burns in the upper right-hand side of my thigh. Mr. Clear said it was a 1 in a million chance that his fall resulted in the lithium battery being pierced. Mr. Clear, who lives in Bondi but is originally from Winchester, needed a skin graft at the burns unit of the Royal North Shore Hospital in Sydney. He told, "I fell to the side on my bike, the phone was in a rear pocket. I looked at my right-hand side and I just saw smoke coming from the back of my shorts. I'm 36. I've had a mobile phone for 18 years of my life, and for that thing to explode or short-circuit and cause it to temporarily ignite. I could see the metal bending and all the lithium leaking out of the bottom end." While the top of his phone is perfectly intact, Mr. Clear said the base of the phone looks like something from a chemical explosion. For now, he is hooked up to a drip to prevent infection of his wound, and doctors have said his recovery will take weeks. Mr. Clear said Apple has promised to investigate the incident, although the